sausage?
Hello, everyone. I'm happy to see you again. Do you like learning about food? Good, I do too. Today, we'll learn about sausages. Look at the picture. These are sausages. One sausage is a little burnt. We will study words to begin our class.
Ground. If you grind something, you cut it into very small pieces. The word ground is passive form of grind. The picture shows ground meat. The meat was cut into small pieces. Edible. If something is edible, it is safe to eat. In the picture, the boy eats steak and vegetables. The steak and vegetables are edible. The boy doesn't eat the fork or knife. The fork and knife aren't edible.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Ground. Edible.
It's time to read a story. When you finish reading, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what a sausage is? It is made from ground meat. Pork or beef are common. The meat has a skin around it. The skin is also edible. We cook sausage by frying, boiling, grilling, or smoking it. Look at the picture. How do you think the sausages were cooked? I think they were fried.
What is a common meat used to make a sausage? Chicken. Pork. What is true? We can cook sausage by smoking it. We can't eat the skin around a sausage.
What do you eat with sausages? I like to eat bread with sausages. This is the end of our class. See you next time. Goodbye.